So we're out looking at another truck here. 4.3 four-wheel drive automatic S10. I think we're gonna pick this one up and do a few things to it and sell it. We know the guy selling it. He's got a hell of a deal on it. It's not in too bad a shape. There's a little bit of rot starting on the bottom of the cab corner on this side. The rockers are pretty solid. But just add another one to the fleet. So we're sitting here talking about how this is supposed to be a truck that we're going to flip and sell. And I point out to Aaron that every time you get back into driving an S10 after you haven't had one for a while, you forget how much you love these stupid trucks.
I think I sold my last one in 2013.
I traded my last one for a Corvette about 6 months ago.
Mine's an 87 though. I missed mine.
I missed the 94 and the 95. S10s are the best trucks ever. We say that as guys that don't like full-size trucks, but for some reason these stupid things are indestructible. Like, I've jumped mine several times and it was fine. Aaron's got the hood of his ran over by Ford Super Duty. It was fine. Oh, it's got a nice exhaust leak. 2003 with the 4.3, air conditioning, automatic, and four-wheel drive.
Still like my old Blazer better.
I don't know. Extended cab S10 I think is kind of better than a Blazer because I still have a truck bed. Yeah, I think we're going to end up with it. The door is a different shade of red. That door is a really different shade of red. The camera...
My blue Blazer was like putty blue. Remember when he went on...
It doesn't look too bad in person, but on camera that door is a completely different shade. Yeah, I feel like we're going to be back here tomorrow to buy that truck. Got the Camaro out still. The Trans is still acting up and it's getting worse between gears, but I think sometime the next week or so here when we slow down a little bit, I'm going to have him pull the Trans out of this and we're going to go through it. And then that is the V10 Ram that we just did the 5th gear replacement on. The New Venture 4500's V10 manual 4-wheel drive. I kind of wanted to buy that truck too. So we made it like halfway back and Aaron spots this and we have to stop. 3/4 ton GMC.
Quick front and four-wheel drive. It's at least a 97.
I'm gonna say it's got newer wheels on it. Man, if you don't want this, I would almost daily this. Looks like they got 4,800 bucks on it. Looks like they got 4,800 on it. How clean are the rockers? I can see some rocker rot on this side, but it's not in the doors. Cab corners are good.
It's at least a 97. So it's probably a 350 truck.
That's 3/4 tons to be my guess.
A third door. That's a drawback.
Not to me. I never have people riding my truck.
I really wonder. Oh,
Why do we keep buying trucks?
I have a weakness for 90s Chevys for the right price.
Yeah. It's not a bad looking truck.
If I sold that for 4, I could give you 4 cash for this.
Just ask him if he wants to trade for a Camaro right now.
The mileage either 173 or 273.
So we did a little walk around here. The bed's not bad, but the front fenders are rusted under the fender flares. We've got rockers rusted out on both sides. We're starting to peel the cab corner on this side. Needs tires.
Cheap tires.
It's 273,000 miles, so they have 4,800 on the truck, but we'll probably call them right now and offer them 2,500 to the spot and see what they say. So we came to our decision-making spot. Miller Lite and a line at Google's. We're gonna sit here and figure out which truck we want to buy, or if we're just gonna get both of them, because that might happen.